Welcome to Belfast, where students thrive and live their best lives. If you're ready to join them, Bradbury Place is the perfect spot for you. Choose from stunning studios and cozy ensuite apartments, all designed with your comfort in mind. Show off your culinary skills in the sleek kitchen and enjoy your meals in style. Each bedroom features a cozy bed, a study table, a chair, and plenty of space for all your essentials. But that's just the beginning. After a long day of classes, kick back and watch your favorite movies in the cinema room or find your focus in the peaceful study room. Need to blow off some steam? Pop in your headphones and hit the private gym. And with CCGV and an on-site team, you're always in safe hands. The perks don't stop there. With Queen's University Belfast and the Irish School of Ecumenics just a short stroll away, you're perfectly placed. Explore the vibrant local scene. Party with friends at Alibi Bar, hear laughs at Deliveries Comedy Club, and grab your essentials at Macca Market. And Bradbury Place bus stop is a mere minute away to make your daily commute a breeze. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to amberstudent.com and book your spot at Bradbury Place today.